Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we're going to discuss how to get lips like Karen Shetty from Mean Girls 2024. If you know me, you know I'm a big Mean Girls fan. I love the original movie so much that it took a little push for me to watch the new one. Honestly, who wants to sit through a musical, right? Well, I did, and what's tea is that it was pretty entertaining, colorful, and fresh. One of the things that stood out to me was the new Karen Shetty, played by Avantika Van Nanderpool, or Avantika.
I did it. Yes,
right. She was so freaking present and drop dead gorgeous. And baby, that's no shade to Amanda Seyfried, cause girl, you will always be Karen in my heart. And baby, you should have won Spring Fling Queen because, well, you know why.
The Spring Fling Queen is always pretty. I mean, the crazy thing is that it should be Karen, but people forget about her because she's such a slut.
But this is not about Amanda. Hell, this isn't even really about Avantika. This is about how to get that youthful, kissable, plump, flush, playful, poppy lip. Let's get it.
Maybe world peace should be first. World peace and then Halloween. Wait, let me start over.
Hey guys, this is Lulu from Ground Zero Beauty, and we're gonna just jump right in. First, we want to scrub the dead skin off the lips that's causing the dull, dry, flat paint look that nobody wants to kiss. So let's make a quick lip scrub.
Okay, let's get into this lip scrub. First, I'm using some honey, and look, we're not going to do exact measurements. We're just going to go in with the thing, okay? Pour some honey in a bowl. All right, scrape up your brown sugar. Make sure it's in fine pieces, but not too fine. You want the consistency of a sugar scrub to make it comfortable enough for your lips. So you don't want really big chunky pieces. And if you do have chunky pieces, you're going to break it down in the mix. So we're going to mix that right here. Make sure you get it real nice and grainy. And this is the honey with the brown sugar. Honey has antibacterial functions that will work nice with your lips and will give you that moisture. Brown sugar is better than sugar for its grainy effects, and it's kind of tasty, really. So now I'm going to show you how to make the one with sugar and coconut oil, if that's what you so prefer and if that's what you have in your kitchen. So as you can see, the coconut oil is a little bit stubborn, but you don't want it to be greasy, like oily. So you want to keep it to that consistency. You want to get your sugar and mix it in with your coconut oil. This one is a little bit more stubborn to make, but it's still fine. It's still going to come out kind of the same. The white sugar is really thinner and less grainier than the brown sugar. So in my opinion, I feel as though the brown sugar one works better, but this one works just as good. So we're mixing it up, and we want the same type of consistency, something that's grainy but comfortable to the lips. So when you scrub it and get your scrub on, it feels nice, grainy, and it gets that dead skin off your lips. This is the consistency that we want. And yeah.
Stay with me, Katie.
Now, if you're fancy like me, you just already have a lip scrub. I bought this from Ulta. This is the Tea Tree Sugar Lips. Now, you could use the lip scrub that we just made, or you can use a lip scrub that you already have from Mary Kay, a pre-made lip scrub, a lip scrub that you just pre-existently have, as long as it has the exfoliating help. Power compels you. As long as it has the sugar. Now baby, I've been using the hell out of this, but it's still some in there, and we're gonna just get into it.
On to phase 2.
Okay, so apparently now I'm in the bathroom, and we're just gonna use our lip scrub. Exfoliating the lips and using a lip scrub helps to plump the lips and also creates blood flow to the lips, which causes that really like kissable plump lip look. So that's what we're gonna do. I use just a little bit, and we're gonna scrub gently, even though we're trying to exfoliate the lips of dry skin. And it exfoliates and moisturizes at the same time. And now we rinse, and sometimes you can see the dead skin coming off. Looks really nasty. Also, it cleanses your lips from lipsticks, lip glosses, and it gives you that reddish look that we want for today, like, because it's causing blood flow to the lips. This lip skin. Disgusting, right?
Ew.
And I would recommend doing this every week, if not twice a week, just so you could always have soft, wet looking, full, plump lips. Cause girl, why not? And now I'm just drying it. Y'all have to excuse my nails. They already feel so good. So now the results of that lip scrub, I have a more smooth, like smoother base that allows us to work with. So yes, I went in this video with fully dry lips on purpose. Can you believe that?
Oh no, she did not.
Just to show you something.
Stay with me, Katie.
This is optional, but it's good for making the lips appear equally balanced, which is lining them. I love to line my lips because it gives a more polished look, and you know we're always going for polished. Depending on your natural line shade, you want to go a shade darker and overline the lips a tad to your liking, or line your own lip line to magnify where the lips begin. This gives us a nice base to shade in. In my instance, if you notice, and I'm gonna get up close, don't get scared. If you notice, my lip line is brown, okay? So you can use any color. You can, as long as it's going for the type of lip combo that you're going for. But for this one, with the Karen Shetty look, she has a really like balanced, plump, reddish lip, and they're lined lightly, but you have to line your lips based on what your own lip line looks like. Some people have a lighter lip line, some people have a more defined darker lip line like I do, so you have to go with your own lip line. Me, in many cases, I like to use black. It's a bit dramatic. Sometimes I use brown, sometimes I use red. It all depends on what your lip combo is, and what we're gonna do is just a nice kissable red today. So I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna start with brown, and I'm gonna kind of try to go in with the black. Now, like I said, this part is optional. You can completely skip lining, but for the girlies who want to line with me, let's line. Now, with this is just a regular brown lip slash eyeliner pencil from the beauty supply store. This may have costed $1.99. And what I like to do, because I like to overline my lips, you can completely take this and line your actual lip line. I like to overline my lips. So usually when you overline, you're trying to conceal the actual part that is your lip line. I'm gonna have to do just a separate video on lip liners altogether, but just for the sake of getting this look that we're going for today, let's just go in with the brown. Now, ain't nothing to it but to do it. If you mess up, just try it again. I'm gonna overline my lips. I like to start here in the center. Sometimes I start here because it just feels safer and better, but we're gonna start here today. Also a note, as long as this area right here is dry, you can line your lips. Don't oil or gloss that area, else your lip liner is just gonna grease everywhere. It's not gonna be defined. You want this area to be dry first. So I'm gonna look in the mirror, so I hope you can capture this. And I'm going over the line, which is in terms of making my lips look bigger, it's giving them a line. Also, another benefit is that it's shortening my philtrum area, which is the distance between the nose and my lip. So you see the difference? Looks like I gave myself a little mustache. But baby, just keep going. And I know I said I was gonna start from the middle, but I do a want, okay? See the difference in the way my lips was before and now? Also, let's go down here. Okay. You see how the brown is over my line? But you can still see this right here. Sometimes people conceal this, but I don't always do that. What I like to do is get a little bit dramatic with the black and just go over that part, which kind of, yes, it makes my look more dramatic, but it also neatens it up and it gets rid of this line and underline, which looks like, okay girl, you just have a mustache. But I could line it with the black liner, and I'm just lightly doing this. I'm not doing this as hard as I was with the brown. And that's because I have a really strong prominent lip line. You might not have to do this. Okay, now we're going in with our colors. Like I said, it's pretty basic. If you want, you can gloss your line, which is this area here, with a brown liner to still have that glossiness red, but also that definition of brown. Now this is NYX Lava Cake. And what I like to do is just take it over the top. You see it coming through? Yeah. And take it down the bottom as the liner, as the gloss agent. Bow. Okay, now for the fun part. Now for the part that we all been waiting for, how we get it to be red. Now you see how my lips are already coming in red? That was from the scrub and from the blood flow circulation. This is NYX Butter Gloss and the color Summer Fruit. This is a really bright, fun red. So you could use this, and also another one that I found was Tree Hut Sugar Lips. It's a strawberry flavored red, like lip gloss. We're not using lipsticks because we're not going in with a harsh red color. We're just going in with a nice bright cherry red. Nothing like harsh and stable. So I'm gonna go in with the Summer Fruit. And we're gonna take it just in the center of the top lip. Now that's a lip. Baby, that's a lip. Use some more, because the glossier the better. Now notice how I don't take this red all the way up and destroy our brown line, because we still want the definition, but we want the redness to be in the middle to give that radiant red, poppy, youthful, kissable, wet, slick look. You could be done here, but if you like me, you want to go over it with a gloss. Now the lip butter, I would use this as interchangeable as this. I would do both if I was just going throughout my day and maybe using both, but I would go over what we have here with a gloss. Now if you want to be all red, I just got this from the beauty supply store. It's just a strawberry lip glow gel. You can use this, which I will be, or you can just use a clear lip gloss. Either will work, because you already have your red, you're already popping. So because I'm extra, we're going to use this one. And this gives that thick jelly finish, like glaze Krispy Kreme donut. You notice the difference between the beginning of this video and now?
Yes, bitch.
These are lips. That's a lip. That's a lip. And let me tell you, you're never the wrong age for lip gloss. It lends itself as a form of radiance, self-care, youth, and desirability. No one can resist noticing well-glossed over juicy lips.
Awesome.
Lip gloss.
Your mate and potentials always notice the lips. It's an erotic zone.
Give me luscious. Damn, girl.
Don't believe me? Try this lip look and tell me if it's so fetch or not.
That's how you use it.
If you notice, Karen's lips have a red glow and it's not lipstick. Lipstick in this video will never do. It's too weighty. We're going for a glossy, light, stained red lip, not a heavy weighed down, maddish looking red lip. Also a note, this look is really basic. You could have skipped using the liner, but if you do use a liner, make sure to use a creamy liner that glides over the skin, not something that pulls and tags and drags the skin. That will never do. Some of these pencils are really harsh and you want to choose a pencil that has easy pigment. You're like in love with me, bitch.